where you treat your friends like family and family like friends. Today at our beautiful home series, we have Mrs. Meeta Maini, who is a beautiful host and a homemaker who has always believed in it. Let's meet her.
Hi Natasha, how are you?
A very warm welcome to our beautiful home series.
Thank you. Come, let's sit there.
Wow, you have such a beautiful house. Especially my first, my first view went to these lightings.
Yeah.
Beautiful lightings.
These were actually selected by my daughter.
Oh,
She
wow.
is also very helpful with, when I come to designing.
Okay.
So she'll give her tips and then she's very adamant. She wants me to follow those tips.
Lovely.
Yeah.
When did you buy this house?
It's been almost 7 years now.
All right. And what was the preference of choosing Gurgaon?
Gurgaon, see, I was born brought up in Delhi.
Okay.
Then I got married, I went to Chandigarh. Then my husband changed his job, he moved to Toshiba, we went to Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I've been moving around, I didn't want to come back to Delhi.
Okay.
So with all those cosmopolitan I wanted to come to Gurgaon.
Okay.
I insisted on staying in Gurgaon in fact.
Okay. Have you hired any interior designer?
No, actually I'm from art college. I passed out from Delhi College of Art.
Okay.
So I worked for a while, but couldn't work for very long for various reasons. My husband was always moving around and things.
Okay.
So then I don't like people doing the house should have that own touch. I always felt. So my husband gave me a free hand. He said, this is the budget. You can do whatever you want to. So then I did it the way I wanted to. I've been adding things over the years. Like I told you, it's been 7 years now.
Right. I have noticed one thing, this place is so uncluttered and the mix and match of the lights and paintings and so much of emotions. If you can explain all of this, please.
See, I just told you I love to paint. And then as far as lights are concerned, we wanted some warm lights for the night. Sometimes you have a party, you just want to put those lights on, But then at the same time, I had to balance these lights.
Okay.
Since most of my lights here in entire house are white. Okay. Me and my husband, we both don't like the yellow lights.
Okay.
So we went for white light and we wanted that corner to have some warm effect. Then I had to balance these out.
Okay.
So what I've done is, since the entrance has totally white bulbs, and I've put half of the bulbs there. They are white and half are yellow. So since that falls in the center, kind of, balances.
Right.
And as far as the clutter goes, I think me and my husband both are very meticulous about things. I don't want too much stuff. I wanted that minimalistic effect. Just it should look good. It's not that what I have.
Yeah.
It's like it should suit the place. Change the
Love
decor.
to, take a tour of your house.
Yeah,
so
sure,
I
right.
think we should let's just go and
let's.
take a tour of your house.
Sure. Come, I'll show you around. See these walls. We chose tiles because I was a little skeptical about using those wallpapers.
Yeah.
They start peeling at the corners sometimes. So, with the maids coming in and everything, sometimes they start peeling from the corners. So we went in for tiles instead. And this again, I think I should give some credit to my daughter. This was her choice.
Oh, lovely.
She was the one who thought about it. We were thinking of doing this area. And I didn't want to add any sofas or chairs here. I want to keep it like bare minimum. I get a lot of compliments for that. I like to keep my kitchen like this. It's like any day of the year you come to my house, it'll be like this. It's not like I've cleaned it today.
So why white?
White because then you don't, you can see anything, which goes wrong.
Yeah.
If you have darker shades, some corner will have grease or things like that.
Right.
I like to keep it clean. So even, like I can point out that this area is not clean, so just, that way. And I like keeping things inside. I don't like too much of clutter, except for my oil and the food I cook. I've kept everything inside. It's like, everything. In fact, I've kept my mixer and stuff. It's all inside. It's a complete kitchen. It's not like, it's like a showcase kitchen. And I have my microwave inside. It is very functional, but at the same time, I need to keep it clean.
So I just want one tip for our viewers.
Yeah, sure.
The perception is that people really don't buy white tiles, white.
See, white is a little
flooring or
difficult to
anything.
handle.
Yeah.
You have to
How
be
do you
very.
maintain it? If you can give a little
See,
tip to our
as I am a
viewers.
homemaker, I'm not like, working wife. So I can devote more time towards this.
Okay.
And I do my own cooking with the help of my maid. But then at the end of the day, I want like the moment the cooking is finished, it has to be clean.
So the moral of keeping the kitchen clean is that you cook and then you clean.
Yeah, same time.
So let's just
Yeah. It's a 4-bedroom house. But since we are a very small family, this is my guest bedroom.
okay.
And here's a little storage space I've made over
This
here.
is storage space.
Yeah, this is
It is
storage.
more looking like a panel. But
Yeah, I just wanted to use it. I didn't want to do the usual, the table and the
Yeah,
things.
true.
So I just, I just designed it this way.
Lovely.
And then we've turned this bedroom into a den area.
Okay.
This is our TV room. Basically, as I told you, it's a small family, just 3 of us.
So is that the reason why you don't have a TV in your drawing room?
So when the friends and family are over, I don't want their focus to be on the screen,
Yeah.
It has to be the conversation which is going on
Right.
without any disturbance,
Of course.
So that's the reason we don't have a TV there.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And let me take you to my bedroom now.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's a reasonably large room. I mean, it's not huge.
Yes.
But I've done it again in a very minimalistic way,
Yeah, so I have
It's like
noticed that
just-
a lot of space is
Yeah,
there and
made-
it is looking uncluttered.
I like to keep, as I told you,
Yeah.
my husband's also very
Right.
meticulous, and I like to keep it like simple. Don't want an extra this thing, a puffy or another sofa or things, and no TV.
Which is good.
Just my wardrobe and a
Lovely.
bed,
Yeah, it's a great combination
Yeah.
of floral with the plain curtains and plain.
Yeah, I
cupboard.
wanted to give it that look, master bedroom
yeah.
has to be a little different.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. All right. Great.
Come, I'll take you to my daughter's room. She has
Wow.
recently done it again. I mean, the basic things were there when we
This
moved
is
in.
the- Lovely room.
Yeah, she's done the painting, like the this wall effects.
Okay.
She selected that,
Oh,
the colors and
lovely.
everything, and even the sofa has been a recent addition.
Uh-huh.
That sofa in the corner,
Okay.
that she's done on her own. Her colors, her designs,
All right.
everything.
All right.
So,
And all the stuff.
yeah, I don't let her throw them out, We have constant fights, she'll say I'm not a baby anymore. She's 21 now. But then at the same time, I feel it gives that children room kind of effect.
Yeah.
I mean, we have those memories attached to these things.
I must say that you have a beautiful house, beautiful
It's
home.
very simple
And very
home.
classy.
Home, I would
I
say.
must say, but I would like to have one more last question.
Yeah, what would-
Which one is your favorite corner in this house?
See, definitely that now. That corner, my daughter, me and my husband, on Sunday mornings, especially in the winters, we love to sit there.
Wow.
Because she keeps complaining that we are never in her room. So we made that corner.
Lovely.
She's done it on her own.
Lovely.
But then we like to cozy up here, especially during winter time. Because then we just lift these curtains and then we have a lot of sunlight throughout the day.
You have such a beautiful house. Each and every bit of your house, in fact, the furniture, I must tell you.
Furniture, Natasha, I design my own furniture.
My God.
I give the designs. I
Wow.
make them on computer inch by inch.
Lovely.
I tell them what I need, and then I get them done.
Wow.
And the sofas and stuff. My beds, and the Elviras. And I kind of customize them, but on my own.
Lovely.
Yeah.
I must tell you, and we all get a lot of tips from Mrs. Meeta Maini. I would like to really thanks a lot.
You're most
for coming
welcome.
to our show. Thanks a lot.
It's my
Thank
pleasure.
You. So we all can decorate our homes. It's just being about being passionate. Little bit of love and emotions can make your home really pretty, isn't it? Keep watching Beautiful Home series with me, Natasha, signing off.